Hello guys, today we will continue chapter retirement of a partner. Today our last topic adjustment of capital. In our previous lecture we will discuss how to make the payment to retiring partner in lump sum or in installment. Today we will discuss adjustment of capital. Today topic is adjustment of capital. The remaining partner after the retirement of a partner may decide their capital should be proportional in their profit sharing ratio. It may be have to bring capital to meet deficit or have to withdraw excess capital. Now try to understand. अगर एक पार्टनर रिटायर होकर चला जाता है, रिमेनिंग पार्टनर्स की कैपिटल एडजस्टेड कैपिटल उनकी प्रोपोर्शनल कैपिटल से ज्यादा है तो वो विड्रॉन कर लेगा, कम है तो और लेके आएगा. नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड थ्रू एन एग्जांपल. फर्स्ट केस, व्हेन कैपिटल ऑफ न्यू फर्म इज गिवन. Capital of new firm is given. We will follow step. In first, we will calculate adjusted capital. Second, part B, we will calculate proportionate capital. How to calculate proportionate capital? On the basis of total capital of the new firm or new profit sharing ratio. Then we will find out surplus or deficit. Now how to calculate surplus will be case when adjusted capital is more than proportionate capital. When adjusted capital, present adjusted capital which we have to calculate is more than proportionate capital. And deficit in condition when our adjusted capital is less than proportionate capital. Now the first step will be, we will make an adjustment entry. If there is surplus, what will be the entry? Remaining partners capital account debit, account debited to cash or bank account. If there is deficit, what will be the entry? Cash / bank account debited to remaining partners capital account. We will follow 4 steps when the capital of new firm is given. Now take an example. Assume there are 3 partners X, Y and Z. Their old ratio is 4:3:2. Y retires Y retires. Now their capital, adjusted capital after all adjustment. Adjustment mean their capital, interest on capital, if there are profit on evaluation, reserves are there, value of goodwill is there, all will be added, unless if their accumulated losses are there, if their loss on evaluation is there. After that we will find out adjusted capital. Adjusted capital of X, Y and Z is given 19,650, 19,800, 9,150. Adjusted capital of partner is given, and new capital of the new firm is given, is rupees 28,000, and the new profit sharing ratio among X and Z is 5:3. It's also given. Now adjusted capital is given, new capital is given. Now how will you calculate surplus or deficit? First we follow the 4 steps. Step number 1, we calculate adjusted capital. It's already is given. What will be the capital of X? Adjusted capital is 19,650 and Z 9,150. Second, we calculate proportionate capital. In step 2, we find out calculate proportionate capital. On the basis of new profit sharing ratio. Now capital is given, new capital is given 28,000, new ratio is 5:3. Now we will find the proportionate capital of X and Z. How to calculate? X and Z ratio is 5:3. Capital is 28,000 into 5/8. 28,000 into 3/8. It means 17,500 and then 10,500. Now we have already calculated adjusted capital and proportionate capital. We follow the third step. We will find out third step, surplus or deficit. 19,650 and 9150. X and Z. Adjusted capital we have already find out. Proportionate capital 17,500 and 10,500. Calculate. Now find out the surplus. It's proportionate capital and this one the adjusted capital. Now we will find out the surplus or deficit. According to new firm, after the retirement of Y, X should have a capital 17,500, but उसकी कैपिटल कितनी है 9,650. It's mean 2,150 is surplus, and in Z case there is a deficit of rupees 1,350. X कैपिटल विड्रॉन करेगा क्योंकि उसके पास सरप्लस है. Z अपना और लेके आएगा क्योंकि उसके पास डेफिशिट है. तो व्हाट विल बी द जर्नल एंट्री? फर्स्ट स्टेप वी मेक द एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री. व्हाट विल बी द एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री? X capital account debited to cash or bank account. According to new form, X की कैपिटल होनी चाहिए 17,500, लेकिन उसके पास है 19,650, तो वो 2,150 विड्रॉन कर लेगा. तो एंट्री विल बी X कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू कैश और बैंक अकाउंट रुपीज 2,150. अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यू फर्म Z की कैपिटल होनी चाहिए 10,500, बट ही हैज 9,150, तो 1,350 और लेके आएगा. तो व्हाट विल बी द एंट्री? कैश ऑब्लिक बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू Z's कैपिटल अकाउंट 1350. This fourth step we will follow when the total capital of the new firm is given. And the second step is, second adjustment is there. Second adjustment of capital when the total capital of remaining partners is to be in their new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio. Here you can see when the new capital is not given. In first adjustment of capital, the new capital is given. Now new capital is not given. So how will you calculate the new capital of the remaining partners? We will follow 5 steps to calculate it. Step number 1, we will calculate adjusted capital of remaining partners. Adjusted capital of remaining partners. First we will find out adjusted capital. Step 2, we will calculate total capital of the firm. Total capital of the new firm. Now, how will you calculate the total capital? Total capital means aggregate of adjusted capital of remaining partner. मीन जो हमने एडजस्टेड कैपिटल निकाली है उसका एग्रीगेट ही टोटल कैपिटल होता है. स्टेप 3, we will calculate new capital of the firm. We will find out new capital. New capital means जो हमने aggregate capital निकाली है इसको new ratio में divide करेंगे. By dividing the aggregate capital in new profit sharing ratio. Find out. First we calculate adjusted, then total capital, then new capital. Step 4, as we will do in previous example, find out surplus or deficit. We will find out surplus and deficit. In step 5, we will make an adjustment entry. Now we take an example to follow 5 steps. There are 3 partners again, X, Y and Z. Their old ratio is 4:3:2. Y retires and their adjusted capital is given. Adjusted capital of X, Y and Z is given. It's 65,800. 57,225 and 33,800. Adjusted capital is given. Their new ratio is among X and Z is 2:1. But that time new capital is not given. In step we will find out adjusted capital. It is already given. Follow the 5 steps. Step 1, we find out adjusted capital. That is already given of X and Z. X adjusted capital 65,800 and Z 33,800. Step 1 we have already calculated. Step 2, what we find out? New capital, total capital. Here you can say aggregate of capital. How to find out total capital? X plus Z capital. Adjusted capital of X and Z 6580 plus 33,800 is 99,600. Now we have find out the total capital. Now we will find the new capital of the remaining partner. Step 3, we will find out the new capital of the remaining partner. New capital of remaining partners. We are following 5 steps. Adjusted total capital. Now find out the new capital of the remaining partner. Total capital is 99,600. New ratio is 2:1. According to it, what will be the new capital of the X and Z? X 2/3. 99,600 into 2/3 is equal to 66,400 and Z is 1/3, 33,200. Now we have followed 3 steps: adjusted, total and new. And the step 4, we will find out the surplus and deficit. Now we calculate what will be the new capital. 66,400 and 33,200. And what their adjusted capital? 65,800 and 33,800. Now this is the X, this is the Z. Z की already adjusted capital कितनी है? 33,800. But according to new, there is 33,200. 33,200, 33,800. Is that clear? Now we will withdraw rupees 600, and according to new, X should have a capital 66,400, but presently it has 65,800. So he will bring rupees 600. This is all about the adjustment of capital. Now try to do more practical to understand it better. Goodbye.